Bang. Bang. And the dirt is gone. Helo. Croeso i'r stream. Dwi'n ôl. Focus on 5. So, Carmen. Man of not many words sy'n dda o'n streamio. Dwi'n beth yn gwybod lle i sbio. Fa ma, fel hyn dwi'n sbio fel efach. Dwi'n sbio yn hun fan'na ddo. Fan'na dwi'n sbio de. Sy'n siarad. Anyway. Dwi'n mynd i roi gol on heddiw. Dwi'n mynd i roi mood lighting on. Os dwi'n mynd yn gwatcha fi, ydych chi'n clywed fan? Mae gen i fan full on in my face efo yna. Because of summer. Ydych chi'n clywed o? Dy'r mic ddim yn pigo fo fyny. Dwi'n gwybod os dwi'n pigo fo fyny tan dwi'n siarad. So be? Don't know. Don't know. Don't know. Don't care. O'n i syth i fewn. O na, wrong! Shit. Iawn. Episod dwytha. Oedden ni yn... Art Gallery. Onri wedi marw. Wedi ffindio allan y lliriau tynnu. A Vera Security ydy'r security firm nath George Stolbart ddim awgrymu. A just i pobl ffigro allan, fa ma nes i aros pryd o'n i'n Paris yn mis Mawrth. Dwi am referensio fi mynd i Paris lot o weithiau yn y gêm yma. Mi fydd 'na supercut o'r holl amser dwi wedi cyfeirio at fi bod yn Paris. So, jyst chi gwybod. Iawn. Henri Paris apartment. Ooh.
As I approached Henri's apartment, I started to doubt whether coming here so soon after his death was such a great idea.
Okay. Hotel. Cafe?
Paris sure had a lot of similar-looking cafes.
Yes. Tony.
Tony's Brasserie. Looked expensive. Parisian spring fashion. Reminds me why I love this city.
Women's clothing.
I recognize the name Sasha from the charges listed in Henri's credit card letter.
Okay. So. Get in.
Unsurprisingly, the front door was locked.
Locked door.
Yes. Who is it?
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, madame. This is George Stobart. Could I talk to you?
George, what?
George Stobart, madame. From the insurance company.
For God's sake, did they have all these? I don't want to buy insurance.
No, I'm not selling, madame. It's about the gallery theft.
Oh, I see. You people move fast, don't you? This
Yeah.
isn't a good time. I am so distraught.
I mean, pen y reference fatha gallery theft yn bod i marw.
Right.
Be chi'n disgwyl, George?
Now, that hadn't achieved much. There was an intercom. Unsurprised. Paris sure had. I decided not to call her again.
Oh, park.
At the end of the road, I could see the magnificent Bois de Boulogne.
And improved. What?
Unsurprisingly, it would have been pointless to call.
By
My
hindsight.
phone had no service.
Family option.
I decided that using the buzzer would make more sense than attempting to dismantle.
Lle hwn da? Okay. Hoe kan die wanna? Hoe kan die wanna? Hier is security, hè?
The address led me to a dead-end alley at the end of a deadbeat mall. No wonder I'd never heard of Vera's security.
Ooh, sham company. Ooh. Oh, we're going vibes.
Please
Blade
don't
Runner.
touch the sign. You'll just make it worse. Please don't touch the sign. You'll just make it worse.
The neon sign buzzed and blinked horribly. The neon sign buzzed and blinked horribly.
Yeah.
Hi, I wonder if you can help me. I'm looking for Vera's security.
Yes, of course. It's the shop behind you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
The name's George, by the way.
Call me Bassam. And do please forgive me, but I'm in no mood to talk. I have a resounding headache.
Ooh.
Bad migraine, eh?
The worst. The buzzing and flashing from the old sign is killing me. I thought the neon sign had potential until it broke.
Is it your sign?
No, the previous owners used to be a restaurant. But this is horrible. Adversely affecting my footfall and giving me a split.
Oh, yeah, saying the trainer.
You want me to try fixing that sign for you?
Do you know what you're doing?
I'm very good at fixing things.
Then please do. I'm no good at electricals. Marketing analysis and predicting trends is more my thing.
Okay.
The neon sign buzzed.
Let him just let it off.
I took a good look at the sign. The wiring
Huh?
was exposed and the cover broken. No wonder it was flashing. I pulled the wire off. Well, that was one way to stop the lights flashing.
18 شو منها بس
Now only half the sign was illuminated.
What the hell? We do it. Beginnen we.
The buzzing and flashing has stopped.
And I'm very grateful. But the sign still looks pretty terrible, doesn't it? When you're building a brand from the ground up, name is everything. I need a name that makes my customers long for adventure and treasures from faraway places.
Tell me about your business idea.
This stall is going to put me through college while giving me field experience. But the nonsense sign is working against me. It should spell a name for my shop. I need something original, yet familiar, bright and in your face, yet subtle and symbolic.
Yeah.
I could take a look at your sign.
You are like a genie from a magic lamp.
Oh, Aladdin. One to cover up. One to cover up. There's
Seemed the letters could be moved around. Shame it didn't have the right letters to spell Bassam. I'd have to think of.
It's Aladdin, that's for sure. Right there?
Aha.
Aladdin!
Seemed like a good name.
Should cover
Hey,
out to be
Bassam,
fair.
how about this? I know it's not your name, but
Aladdin. Very cool. That's a terrific name for my store. Hits every one of my USPs.
Yeah,
glad
yeah.
you like it.
You're a genius, George. Let me know if I can do anything for you.
Yes.
Aha, Mr. Stobart. What can I do for you?
Bassam had already told me where Vera Security was.
Okay.
What do you think?
I'm over the moon. Thanks to you, I can now sell my retro cavalcade of musical cards, brushes, souvenirs. And you know what they say? Happy sellers make happy shoppers.
Okay. Hey, look at, wait a minute.
So what are you selling?
Ah, I'm glad you asked. I sell all those things you can't get anywhere else in Paris.
Ooh.
Like,
English biscuits, Turkish delight, French cassettes, Brazilian Betamax videos.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
I really like your new sign.
Can I have it?
Magnificent. I owe you one.
Kom weer gedaan. Oh my god.
Help!
What's wrong?
There's a monster
What? Where?
on the floor. Get rid of it.
Oh, the cockroach.
Yes, the cockroach. Help!
Come here, little fella. I was never going to catch it with my bare hands. Even the plant looked depressed. There was a huge cockroach.
Nah, guys. What's that? Ooh. Good.
Romanov's, a Russian brand cigarette. The pack was empty.
Huh?
A crumpled cigarette. As a child, I'd always been told not to play with matches, but I never could resist.
Okay.
I tipped out the matches.
Okay, so we're coming down, doing the run there.
I went to take a closer look. I couldn't catch it just by swiping at it. I'd need to entice it closer.
Şimdi dışarıda beni.
Hello, I'm...
Cockroach!
You owe me, Hassan.
Aha, Mr. Stobart. What can I do for you?
Do you you know anything about Vera's security over there?
Not really. I haven't been here long, but neither have they by the looks of it.
Why do you say that?
Rush setup, new sign, low investment, and no customers except for you.
What?
So, what else?
Stop by now and
No kidding?
Cockroach.
Do you happen to know a good way to catch a cockroach?
to be honest, George, I'm better at questions on balancing budgets within a liberal economic framework. But as a layman, perhaps I could suggest you trap it? And please, whatever you do, don't squish it.
Why's that?
The entire family will catch the scent and arrive for the funeral.
Ooh,
Whoa.
We don't want that.
The hell?
You need to find a container of some sort. Then I think add this.
Rich tea. What's that, a cookie?
It's tea biscuit.
Perfect cockroach biscuit. Dry, dull, unsatisfying.
Hey.
Curiously Moorish.
Oeh, dus heeft tea, man.
Glad to help.
Thank you for the cookie.
You're very welcome.
Dim cookie, ja. Rich tea biscuit.
I set down my matchbox. Cockroaches like hiding in dark places. Not a bad idea. I added some bait to the matchbox.
Yay.
Even I was finding it hard to resist that little trap.
Oh my god. Yay. Whoa, hold on.
Gotcha!
That's awful.
You are a gentleman and no mistake. I hate cockroaches.
Always ready to help a damsel in distress.
I bet you are. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Do you know if there's anyone in the office I can talk business with?
Yes, me, chérie. I'm Annette, the manager.
Ooh.
Oh, gosh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean... the gloves. I just thought...
Ah, easy mistake to make. If you haven't been reconstructed, that is.
Oh, but I have been reconstructed. A number of times.
What?
From the ground
The
up.
Minneville. Yeah. Routine evil.
Yes.
There's been a theft at Le Lizard Bleu. A painting's been stolen.
Shame. Still, I'm sure you'll get over it.
I believe your company set up the security.
Oh, no, we didn't.
Oh, yes, you did.
Didn't.
Ooh.
Did.
I've got all day.
But I didn't. It says here that Vera was hired to do the security at the gallery. Didn't do a very good job, did you?
Where did you get that?
At the gallery?
That job was signed off. You can't say we were to blame.
I was getting a bad
Yeah.
feeling.
What's going on here?
The place looked like a front, and the only person there wasn't helping. Maybe the office itself could give me more information.
Are you done? Only I want to listen to this next race.
I've got a cookie.
Take the cookie.
Those dry things are disgusting.
Thanks.
Oh. Be funny here.
Hello, Vera Security. We make you secure. Wrong number again. Damn nuisance calls.
A quick look revealed that the drawer was empty.
Okay. Ydw i'n mynd i'r drws?
It was a little black book, and they are always interesting.
Ooh, okay. So. Any phone call?
Hello,
Radio off.
security, we make you secure.
Falle fydd yn mynd.
Wrong number again, damn
Oh,
useless
I wanted to see what secrets the book might contain. There was a photo. Of course, I grabbed it.
What? Whoa, whoa, be di bod yma?
A very bad photo of Lane in a net. That guy sure got around. Recognize this?
Ooh.
That's my photo.
That's you with Lane, I believe.
So, what if it is?
What is he to you?
Oh, my Hector, that's what he is. My little
Yeah.
Hector.
Yeah, I thought you said you had nothing to do with the gallery.
Look, here's how it is. I've only been here a few weeks. I had nothing to do with that gallery job. I just delivered the paperwork.
So, who was the manager before you?
I don't know. She just, one day, didn't come in for work. I shouldn't be talking to you. The boss told me to keep my mouth shut.
Who's the boss?
What can I do for you?
Are you betting on a horse?
No, I just like hearing the sound of hooves.
Oh, well, that's unusual.
Don't be an idiot. I got 50 euros on Lucky Break.
Ah, well, I hope you win.
So do I, Sherry. So do I.
Okay.
The boss. Have you got his number or address?
No, I've forgotten it. I mean, I never knew it.
What?
Annette, a serious crime has been committed. You're in a lot of trouble.
I had nothing to do with it. Look, I need this job. I need the money. Anyway, it's only a silly old painting. No one got hurt.
Ooh.
The gallery owner was shot.
Badly?
Dead.
Yeah, he's pretty dead.
Oh.
This is a murder investigation. Now, who's your boss?
I don't know. Honest, he faxes me if he wants anything.
What?
He. Who's he?
I've never seen him, never met him. Don't make trouble for poor Annette.
Thanks. I was pretty sure Annette had told me all she was going to. She sounded scared. Time to put the thumb screws on Lane, and I knew just how.
Sut lle mae Lane? Dwi eisiau beth gyda chdi, wan?
Aha, Mr. Stobart. What can I...
That cookie did the trick.
Right customer, right product. It's a winning combination.
Okay.
So,
Anything retro. He who controls the past.
Okay.
do you recognize these two people?
Never saw the big guy before, but the late...
Have you seen anyone else in the Vera office?
No, but I haven't had my shop here long, only a couple of days.
Smell this.
Oof. At least it's the real thing.
A look, what's on?
Do you have any use for nail clippers?
Nail clippers? The pocket knife's little brother.
What?
Yeah, I like that. I better hang on to them. I decided to keep the wire.
Oh.
If Bassam knew how flimsy the sign was, he wouldn't be happy. I caught the cockroach. Look.
Excellent work. Just don't let it loose near my stall. In a few weeks, this place is going to be buzzing with people, I hope, not vermin.
I think I'll keep him. I'll name him Trevor.
What?
Interesting name. Old school, comforting, harmless. I can see you're quite a strategic thinker, George.
Oké. Doe je funny poblen.
Hey, Nico. I've arrived at Vera Security. It's a pretty seedy outfit.
Great. Anything else?
Well, it looks like the lady that works at Vera is friendly with Lane.
No accounting for taste.
Yay.
Anything else?
The back office of Vera Security might be worth looking at, but I can't do it with a net here.
Let me know if you find anything interesting.
I'm gonna try and find Lane. I'll tell you what he has to say. Take care.
Kan ik had die interest in it. I'll go på.
Mr. Rickenbacker?
Rickenbacker.
Lane used a different security company from the one I recommended. Vera Security? I'm there now. It's a pretty low-grade outfit.
Well, find out what you can.
Ja.
Time to confront Lane.
Kom maar, eller? Oh, in de galerie.
The gallery was sealed off. The place looked empty. Lane wasn't exactly easy to miss.
Ja.
Hi.
Monsieur?
I'm looking for Mr. Lane. Has he been here?
Ah, yes, monsieur. He came by earlier. Told me he was off to console Henri's widow. I hope she's out.
Ooh.
Hi.
Monsieur?
It's a cockroach.
Do you recognize the woman in this photo?
She was here the other night with you.
What?
They sneaked away to the gallery together, without paying their bill.
My suspicions of Lane were mounting, but I didn't really think he had it in him.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, that's what he told me.
Cockroach.
Monsieur, please. If the health inspector sees that, I'll be closed down.
Biscuit.
Cookie?
You misunderstand the concept of the café, monsieur.
Okay. Time to
The
confront
gallery was empty. It looked like Lane was somewhere else.
Lane. Moet je net door
I had
piss.
no reason.
Okay.
So
Ooh.
Lane was consoling the widow. What a big heart that guy had. Did he have a grand scheme or just loose morals?
Ooh.
Hello?
This is George Stobart. May I come up?
I'm sorry, this is a very inconvenient time. Come back later.
I know that's you, Mr. Lane. I need to talk to you. Mr. Lane, does the name Annette mean anything
Come
to
on.
you?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
I need to talk to Madame Dubois.
Madame Dubois.
Sure, it can wait.
Mm-hmm. If you don't let me in, I'll tell the police about your interesting connection to the security company.
All right. Then.
Yay! Ik kan houden. Kan houden kan fucking heen wat bij me. Let's go to the dead man's apartment.
Dear
Whoa!
Lord, you have a worse timing. Is this a bad time to accuse you of lying?
What do you want?
I've just come from Vera's security.
So?
What do you know about the owner of Vera's security?
I've never had the pleasure.
Tell me about Annette.
Who?
From Vera Security.
I don't know any Annette.
Ooh.
I'm
Sure.
surprised you let your conquests keep souvenirs.
Where did you get that?
Annette lent it to me.
Quit waving it around, for God's sake.
Can you tell me anything about the owner of Vera?
Annette told me he's some angry-looking Russian chap.
Ooh.
Come on, Lane. Tell me about Annette.
All right. I had a fling with her, okay? Now keep your voice down, please.
And you two fixed the security for the robbery?
Ooh. Animation.
No, nothing like that. Anyway, the fling was a mistake. She turned out to be rather needy.
I believe you. You're not a criminal, just a lecherous old man.
Less of the old, if you don't mind. As it happens, I make a lot of women happy.
Especially when you leave them. Okay, Lane, take off.
You can't tell me what to do.
You want me to show Bijou this picture?
All right, I'm going. You haven't heard the last of me, Stobart.
Persoonlijk.
Promise?
And give me that photo.
If Lane was telling the truth, that meant that Annette was lying. She said
What?
she'd never met the owner and was very keen to get rid of me. I wondered if she was hiding something interesting in that back office.
Are you going to introduce yourself properly?
Yeah. Oh my god, where?
Pleased to make your acquaintance, madame. My name's George Stobart.
Ja, stem meg maar.
Call me Bijou.
Bijou.
The subject looked vulnerable as she clasped her knees. You have a beautiful home, Bijou.
Oh, thank you. I do like beautiful things.
Okay.
Hello, young man. Such a delight to have a new visitor. What can I do for you?
I'm from the insurance company. I'm so sorry for your loss.
Henri, my poor sauvage. He died in his prime.
In his prime.
Could I just ask you a few questions?
Well, why not? A little company might just pep me up, as you Americans might say.
Okay.
Your record player seems to be stuck on the same song.
Yes, this song gives me great comfort. It reminds me of Henri.
Okay.
Is that a painting of you?
Yes, darling. Though obviously he got my hips completely wrong.
Who painted it?
Oh, some acquaintance of Henri's. I don't recall his
I'm
name.
going hips in hoor. Hier doen we gear, yeah. Oh my god.
Can you tell me about the gallery? Was the business doing well?
The gallery was Henri's baby. He never spoke to me about it.
Ooh.
So you weren't involved?
Not at all. Business is not my thing.
Fair enough.
Henri was very brave at the gallery. He tried to stop the thief and paid the ultimate price.
Henri was my life and my little pussycat.
Oh my god.
Bijou, I think someone involved with the gallery helped the thief. It wasn't Hector Lane. He's not devious enough.
But who else?
I don't know. But I will get to the bottom of it, I promise you. How are you coping?
I'm still trying to take it in, chérie.
Sherry.
Does this smell good to you?
Spray it. Go on, spray it.
It's heavenly, isn't it?
Oh.
Henri loved it.
I stole it from your dead husband's
No, thank you.
pocket.
Do you know this company, Vera Security?
No.
No, I don't.
That's lovely.
HT biscuits.
Why is it broken?
I was feeding it to a cockroach.
I think perhaps I'll pass. That's me.
Hey, this
Come.
might cheer you up. Say hello to Trevor.
A cockroach?
I prefer the word pal.
And
Yeah,
I
Cymru.
prefer the word pest.
Fair enough.
Please never show it to me again.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure, young man. Do come back anytime.
Bijou
Okay.
appeared to know nothing. I still couldn't discount Lane. Annette, on the other hand, had lied about Vera's security's owner. Henri was now dressed in a cheap suit.
But it's cheap. But it's
Balance, I prefer the waistcoat.
a cheap suit.
Henri was now dressed in a cheap suit.
In a suit. It's in a suit. But it's a cheap suit.
A small stuffed dog sat on the table. Poor creature. Was that a tear in its glassy eye? A small... The stereo was playing the same... Two lovers entwined. Reminded me of that party game with the map. The artist was entering his cubist phase.
Du spelar 10 deras med. Så.
A subtle birthmark was the only blemish in the model's flawless skin. The subject stared casually out at the world.
Please don't touch my things. Sherry, please don't touch me.
Pam mogę czuć personal belongings chdi.
The view through to the Bois de Boulogne. America is my country.
They're doing that bit.
Night was falling. Annette would have left for the evening. It was time to pay a visit
Ooh.
to security.
Robots. Short time later.
The empty mall was lit by bright moonlight. The perfect ambiance for a little detective work.
Oh, no
I wanted
graffiti.
a good look at that back office. I just had to find a way in.
Oh.
There was no way I could I needed to find another.
Yeah.
There was an electrical box up there.
Okay. Push.
Rearranging the sign had been even if I do.
Oh, yes. Oh my god. Så uppe strength den var.
I popped the lid open. Inside was an aircon unit and bingo, the master controls for the shutters. The wire connected the shutter motor to the master controller. There was no way I could...
Det bien évidemment ça. Oh. Okay. Shutters safe key. Oh.
It was the master controller for the shutters.
Okay.
It was the motor that operated the shutters. The aircon blade was exposed. I was glad it wasn't. I'd cut the wire in half. I hoped I was doing the right thing.
Yes. Let's be a criminal.
In the drawer was a single Q-tip. It was my lucky day. The room was pitch black. I couldn't see a thing. It was my phone. Man.
Hmm. What is it?
In the corner of the room was a pizza delivery scooter.
What?
Just like the one the killer escaped.
Inside job.
Oil had dripped from the scooter onto the floor.
Okay.
It was a pizza delivery scooter.
Q-tip.
I smeared some oil onto the cotton bud.
Okay.
There was a letter jammed in the shredder. The shredder was jammed. Somehow, I had to get the shredder working again.
Yeah.
Somehow. The shredder. The air vent had a tiny catch on the side.
Did it? Did it?
That wouldn't have worked. The box was empty.
Hmm.
There was a letter jammed in the shredder. The shredder. The shredder was jammed. I smeared the gears with oil. It was time to see what was in the letter.
Bir shit diyor. Oh my god.
I grabbed the paperclip.
Okay, so 2 mil. I built it out. Open it to your satisfaction on the back wall. Oh. Nah. It's here. Okay, wel great. Oh, okay. Je kan van een. Wel, hè? Dat is een mooie van het post. Oké. Then. Ja. Oké. Dat wel, hè? Kijk, je gaat just about them en in achter. Ben je al een missie noemen? Oh, oké. Kijk even de adres. Dear Mr. What was I missing? Yours. Oh, I'm not really assassino now. Please, super. Represent. Represent. Furthest from. Ugh. Countermeasures. Exhibition. Ah. Hwnna. Hwnna. Also in this matter. Okay.
It was the letter
Yay!
confirming that Vera Security had the contract for the exhibition. And it
Let's just
also
confirm.
revealed who was in charge at Vera. A guy called Medovsky. At first glance, it all seemed pretty run-of-the-mill. But why was Henri thanking Medovsky for being generous? And why was he pleased to represent him? Maybe Medovsky was the owner we've been looking for.
Ooh.
It didn't add up. I had a gut feeling. There was something fishy going on.
Tak się mam.
The air vent had a tiny catch on the side. It felt like the perfect opportunity. Sadly,
Oh, sorry.
the paperclip was perfect for the job.
Ooh.
There was definitely something in there.
Now, what are you?
Oh my god.
Well, would you believe it?
It was a gun. And very likely the one that had been used to shoot Henri.
Aha! So, what have we here? L'Américain, Monsieur Stobart.
No!
You will rue the day you crossed my path, because now you are caught in my net like a little red herring.
Inspector, I'm investigating the robbery.
No, monsieur. You are breaking and entering an innocent storeroom.
Pan
I
Cymru,
found a murder weapon.
Found? No. Planted? Yes. Move! Arrest this man and take him to the station. I shall squeeze you, Monsieur Stobart, until your pips squeak.
Oh, Georgie.
Thanks, Ronnie. I just wish I'd got some better shots of the killer.
Don't you?
You kidding? That stuff from the hip, very dramatic. You did good, Nico.
Canteen American.
So, what's next?
Get me
Ooh.
an interview with the owner, and you've got Sunday's front page.
I'm on it already.
Keep me up to speed. Let me know before you write anything up, okay?
Of course. Oh, gotta go. Someone at the door. Monsieur?
Are you Nicole Collard?
Yes, can I help you?
I need to sit down.
What?
You'd better come in.
Come in. I am French, and I've got a bottle of wine on the go and the Eiffel Tower on the wall. Proszę weer ook in French. Trouwens. Do not look at the camera with the tripod. It's not what you think I do.
Yes, those stairs are a nightmare.
In class, knachte. I only drink red wine because I am French.
That's better.
Very good wine.
So, what can I do for you, monsieur?
My name is Tiago Marquez.
Ooh.
I saw your report on the robbery. I found your address. I came straight away. I needed to see you.
Sigurd vindt het adres weer. Paul vindt het adres weer.
The stolen painting, La Malédiction. It belongs to me.
Ronnie
What?
had wanted me to interview the owner, and now here he was. Or rather, he was somebody who claimed to be the owner.
Good one, Nico.
I had no reason to show Marquez my... So the stolen painting is yours? Tell me more.
La Malédiction belonged to my family in Catalonia in the 30s before the Civil War.
Wat je ook in Bagen gewoon, ja.
What was it doing here in Paris?
The fascists stole it in 1938. They killed my father, but not me. I escaped.
Oh, yeah.
I have been looking for it ever since. You have to help me find it.
Did you lose
Family?
your family in the Civil War?
When they came for us in 38, I fled with my mother. But my father was not so lucky.
I'm sorry.
I would have stayed and fought for freedom, but I was just a boy.
Oh, yeah. That helps you.
You've got my attention, but if I'm to help you, I need more to go on.
I have something. This old photograph. It is of me and my family.
Okay.
See the painting above the fireplace?
Yes, it's La Malédiction. The photograph certainly appeared to link the old man to the painting.
You took
thing.
the photographs at that robbery, huh?
I did, yes.
I need to see them.
Why?
Please, I must see them.
All right. Here they are.
Rate of them.
This one was rejected. George got in the way. Typical.
Who is this George?
Just a friend. He wasn't sure.
No, Nico.
So, you
Cockblocker.
know who is this liar who claims to own my painting?
I don't think he does. He would have told me. This is the best shot I took. They used it in the paper.
Yes, it is how I recognize La Malédiction, my painting.
My
Doesn't
painting.
look like the one in your photograph.
So close, but now it is lost again.
Here's the thief making off with the painting.
What is that tattoo on his arm?
Looks like a skull and crossbones. Headhunters,
You will find him, and then you will find my painting.
I can try, monsieur.
You must, mademoiselle.
Bam.
This shot didn't come out too well.
It's perfect.
Perfect?
Finally, La Malédiction in all its splendor. The lines, the color, the detail. It's been so long since I've seen it.
Then take it. That shot is no good to me.
Really? Thank you, mademoiselle.
Goede conversation, man.
Marquez's story was very interesting, but I needed to corroborate it. I wondered if the gallery kept ownership records. And while I didn't wholly trust him, this was the one lead that I didn't want to lose. Where are you staying?
What? Nowhere. Here.
I didn't want him to stay in my apartment. There was another solution. My neighbor is out of town for a few days. You
What?
could stay there.
What?
That would be good. Thank you.
Great. Let's go.
What? Ti'n gael just like stranger yn tŷ stranger arall? Ooh.
Adam said that he would leave the spare key under the mat.
Dwi'n cyn y gwybod Nico. Dwi ddim yn fan o hyn.
My neighbor had left a key for me under the doormat. Which reminded me I hadn't watered his plants for a week. The key wasn't there. The door was locked, but my neighbor always left a key under the mat. I had no reason. There was no fight.
Neta.
I was pretty good at popping locks with plastic. The door was locked, but my neighbor always left a key under the mat. The gap was wide, but not wide enough for my fingers.
Floor crack. Okay.
Using the sticky chewing gum, I was able to fish out the key.
Okay. Really, ti'n siarad gadael hyn di yma agos yn tŷ cymydog fi?
This will do.
Glad it's up to standard. I have to go out, monsieur. Ronnie had promised me the front page if I got an interview with the painting's owner. And here was a crazy Spaniard claiming to be just that. I needed to find out who had put the painting up for sale. There was
Oh my
more
god,
than
they're
one
nuts.
element. Len was sitting outside the cafe. He looked dazed. Hello, Monsieur Len.
Ah, the delectable Nicole Collard, super sleuth. How may I be of service?
I was hoping I'd find you here.
Always available for a lovely lady such as yourself.
Did I show you?
The sticky one.
Henri's death. It must be so very hard for you.
Yes, I shall miss him deeply. We had such a very special relationship.
Oh my god.
Loss is so hard to endure, even for a man of such inner strength as myself.
What do you know about the owner of La Malédiction?
That was Henri's business. He found the painting and did the deal with the owner.
Would anybody else know anything about the owner?
Not likely. He kept especially quiet about that one. But he always kept a manifest for every exhibition.
You mentioned a manifest. How would one get a look at that?
One might start in the office. That's where Henri kept most of his paperwork.
I'm writing a follow-up piece on the gallery theft.
Ah, so you need an inside view. Authoritative.
Something like that.
Pan den siarad fel boi yma.
Gallery. We could chat in the office. It's much more comfortable. More intimate. I might even be able to rustle up a little bottle of champagne.
Yes.
That sounds great.
We can discuss my ordeal over a glass of champagne.
Champagne.
A cozy chat with Lane was the last thing I wanted. But it was my best hope if I wanted to get a look around the office. So, what are we waiting for?
Och, was denn wel? Tel de bilg met.
After you, my dear.
Okay.
The place was heaving with junk. Finding what I wanted wouldn't be easy. As Lane sat down, something stuck out from beneath the cushion. It looked like a folder. Whatever it was, the police had missed it. I needed to get it.
Come, join me on the couch. I'm ready for you. You will be gentle with me, won't you?
Oh, I'm never gentle, Monsieur Lane.
Oh, do call me Hector.
Lane hadn't noticed the folder. With that amount of padding, who would? The only way to get hold of it was to distract him. Monsieur Lane?
Hector, please.
So you really don't know who owns this up?
I'm sorry, my dear, I really don't.
I see Henri had a statue of himself.
Yes, for a man of high aspiration, he had alarmingly low taste. Nevertheless, I shall miss him. We were like family.
What will happen to this place now?
Henri's widow will decide, poor soul. She may find it in her heart to keep me around.
Oh, I'm sure she will.
Yeah.
Is there anything you can tell me about the painting?
It was an absolute treat to come across it. A true undiscovered gem.
It's a little shit,
There's
gonna.
no denying it is a fantastic painting. What can you tell me about the religious significance?
Of course, there is a deep religious symbolism locked within the painting, too. Central to this must be the pantheon of saints.
Ooh.
Oh, Hector. Perhaps I will join you in that glass of champagne.
But of course, champagne, nature's balm in troubled times.
Daar is geen champagne. Champagne off. Ze dacht ik op een... Wow. Ze dacht ik op een... Wanneer, man?
If I try to reach a... To new friends.
To love.
Wow. Ah.
Oh, mon Dieu, that is so cold!
It's a bit cold. Room temperature.
I am so sorry.
I'll have to dry this off. Don't you
Yay.
worry, dear.
In the folder was a list of all the paintings in the exhibition. La Malediccio had to be there. It was. And next to it was the owner's name.
Midowski. Was die via security?
Obviously not spotted the folder. I put it back.
Steal
I had
it.
what I needed for my story.
Goodbye.
Monsieur Lane, thanks for everything. But I think I hear my editor calling.
Ma chérie, no need to leave so soon. It's only a little spillage.
Ooh. Tada. Gewoon, daar een stadje
I
is.
found out who claims to own La Malediccio. Some guy named Medovsky. Sounds Russian, right?
Medovsky, my god.
Who is he?
He's new on the oligarch block. Fresh into London from Russia, with ambition and a bloody reputation.
No.
Collard, this is way over your head. I'm gonna put a more experienced crime journalist on the story. I can't afford for you to get hurt.
Relax, Ronnie. This is my story. Leave it with me. Let's discuss it over lunch tomorrow.
Okay. But don't do anything more. See you tomorrow.
Stupid editor. Stupid editor.
Ronnie didn't trust me on this story, but I wasn't going to let him give it to someone else. I was going to have to move fast. Come in.
Zit je gebeurde? Yay, Joe Stupid. Allan o jail.
George, great to see you. How did it go over at Vera?
Hope you don't mind me just dropping in.
No, not at all.
Pretty good. I found the gun that was used in the robbery.
I'm impressed.
Sounds sarcastic.
Yeah? Well, Nave wasn't. He accused me of trying to plant it, and then of being involved in Henri's death. Then he threw me into a cell. He couldn't make it stick, of course, so he had to let me go this morning. But he's convinced I'm involved. So if I put a foot wrong, he'll nail me next time. But, hey, on the bright side, have I got a story for you.
Long story later.
Annette, the manager at Vera Security, lied about the owner of the company. When I
Spier, wie produceerde wacht hè?
I got a name, Medovsky.
Medovsky. That's the same guy who claims to own La Maledicción.
What?
What? He owns the painting and Vera Security? He has to be the one behind this whole scam.
You're telling me? We have to be sure.
And then, I am a Spanish man.
What the
I like paella. Food and drink.
Sleep on that bed. It is too soft.
Josh, this is Senor Marquez.
Nice to meet you.
So you are this George, huh?
Senor Marquez is staying in the apartment across the hall. Apparently, he's the real owner of La Maledicción.
What?
Van 1938 då.
Said Medovsky?
Don't buy it.
Senor Marquez claims the painting was stolen from his family during the Spanish Civil War.
Really? Do you have any proof?
Senor Marquez, could you show him the photograph?
Show me this random ass photograph.
That's definitely La Maledicción hanging on the wall.
La Maledicción.
It belonged to my family, so it belongs to me.
Huh?
Who's this?
My father. When they came for us in 38, I fled with my mother. But my father was not so lucky.
Who's this?
My mother, a good woman, a saint.
How can we prove this is you as a child?
The dates would tie up, George.
If the painting really was stolen during the 1930s, then this Medovsky guy has no legitimate claim to it. But how can I be sure that you're the boy in that picture?
I can prove it. Look at my father in the photograph. You see the medallion he's wearing? He gave it to me just before he died. This medallion has been in our family for hundreds of years.
It's definitely the same medallion. A snake eating its own tail.
On powyższe je.
It is the Ouroboros.
Ouroboros.
The what?
The Ouroboros. It is a sign of my people, my family, my faith. The Gnostics.
Gnostics.
My father was a Gnostic leader. La Maledicción is sacred to the Gnostics. Hence, they both display the Ouroboros.
Ouroboros.
The guy I met said the painting was the devil's work. A thing of evil.
Ha! He would say that. Do not believe all you hear from the church. Whatever you think, the painting is mine.
If Marquez was the true owner of Maledicción, then Medovsky had no legal claim to it. Might be tough to prove, but if I could, we wouldn't have to pay out on the insurance. So, if the painting belongs to you, how did Medovsky get it?
The fascists stole it. It went to Madrid, then Berlin, then, after the war, to Moscow. After that, it was lost, until now.
Maledicción.
Talk to this Medovsky, but how do we find him?
Oh.
Hey, Nico?
Yes, George?
So let's go over what we know about the thief.
Okay, well, he had a distinctive tattoo on one arm.
And his helmet had Waterloo Motors.
Waterloo Motors.
Not a lot to go on.
Headhunters. Over there. Yeah.
You said the thief had a tattoo.
On his arm, it was a skull and crossbones with headhunters written around it.
Zag je wat distinct tattoo? Zag hij een gwisgo jumper. So.
We need to track down
It's in murder.
Have you tried the internet?
I've been kind of busy.
Okay, let's have a look. Waterloo Station, Battle of Waterloo, Waterloo Kebabs, Waterloo Sunset. Ah, here we go. Waterloo Motors. It's a garage in London. I'll send the number to your phone.
O, bis gan y gwaith.
Nico,
Yes?
Fysa chdi licio gweld cockroach?
hey Nico, have I introduced you to Trevor?
Oh, get that horrible thing away.
Here's the proof that Henri was involved in the robbery.
Interesting, but it doesn't help us find the killer.
Biscuit.
I'm pretty surprised this cookie is held up so well in my pocket.
Gotta work on the small talk, George.
So, Waterloo Motors is a garage in London. That's a surprise.
Yes, I sent you their phone number.
Oce, beth ydy dy fel a? Mae'n rwyd.
What do we know about this Medovsky character?
Ronnie said he was dangerous.
And very rich.
He claims to be the owner of La Malediccio.
And appears to be the boss of Vera's security who were supposed to protect it. Now that kind of figures. The best way to steal something is to get hired to look after it.
Ei, mae gan chi iawn.
Steal a painting you already own.
We need to talk to this.
Dwi ar quest I ffindio La Medicción a The Killer o Henri. The plot thickens.
Why would somebody steal their own painting?
Insurance.
Scam? But then why kill Henri?
I get the impression that Henri was somehow involved. I found the gun that Henri was shot with at Vera's security.
If Madowski owns Vera Security, it means that he must know the killer.
Well, it can't be Annette, but she has to be involved in some way.
Yeah. I'm sorry, ffonio Waterloo. Waterloo Motors.
How can I help you?
My name is George Stobart. I'm investigating a murder that was committed here in Paris.
What's that got to do with us?
The guy we're looking for was wearing a helmet with Waterloo Motors on it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's a very popular helmet.
I don't suppose you know who might have bought one?
Well, not unless you've got any more information, mate.
The killer had a tattoo on his arm. It said,
Headhunters.
Oh, I know that guy. Yeah, he bought one of our helmets just the other day.
terrific. Do you know his name?
Nah. Brings his boss's Merc here to have it serviced. Word to the wise, though. I hear he don't mess about. The car's registered on Dutchy Street, if it's any help. I mean, that's all I know, mate, sorry.
Okay.
No, that's more than enough. You've been a great help. Thanks for your time.
See ya, mate. Go on, mate. See ya, mate. Thanks for the heads up, mate.
Good work. That has to be the guy. And now we've got his address.
How about a trip to London?
I thought you'd never ask. Senor Marquez, will you be okay here?
The bed is uncomfortable, but it will do. Come back quickly with the painting, eh?
Is het niet pakt hij dat dan al? Is er iets?
London cabbies. Gotta love
Wow.
This is the place. Here on the right.
Zo'n taai wel aan bananas. Die banana fucking.
To afford a place like this in London, you've got to be good at something.
Die wil aan, hè?
So,
Maar die gwale immersion weer. Maar die gwale immersion weer. Ain't gonna lie. Klein weer old for you. Ik zeg dat niet. Ik zeg dat niet. Pa bant er? Dwi'n hoffi Venom, dwi wastad yn meddwl Venom y Big Ben. Dwi'n hoffi Venom y Big Ben. Iawn. So, Sea Life sy'n yn ôl hwn, de? It's the Marriott Hotel. Right. Mae'n ffocin London Eye. O'ch chi byw yn Llundain, ddech, Morgan? Can confirm. Mae'n ffocin London Dungeon. Ar Aquarium. Awful game. Awful game.
We clear on how we're going to do this?
Oh, symbol Russia.
Insurance investigators see. We finagle our way inside, butter Madovsky up, and then get the dirt on it, right?
Fenoodle?
Fenoodle.
Yeah, finagle. You remember how to finagle, don't you, Nico?
Ti siarad fel
Gosh, how could I ever forget?
Good, because I suspect we're gonna need major league finagle to get in this one.
You got it.
Pan ti siarad fel
No answer.
Be, real life sy'n y game. Be, hwn lle? Dwi'n quite yn licio'r y character models. Mae'n rhywbeth... Dwi wedi sylwi am... Ond un thing lle cockroach mewn i box oedd o'n really jarring. Dwi'n quite yn... Dwi'n licio remake o One. Asta, hwnna it's cool.
Excuse me. Hello?
On your bike, darling. This is a private residence.
This is private resident, darling. On your fucking bike.
Madovsky.
I'm doing this suspicious Russian... bush thing. Ah, mae hwnna edrych union fatha Putin. Sbia. 20... Ysbryd mae game allan? 2018 oedd game allan, de? ...2013. Game yn... yeah. 2013 oedd hwn allan. Nes i bacio hwn. Back in the day. Cofio, nes i... Wan, dwi'n chwarae fo'n iawn am tro gynta. Gynnu fi ar Switch, hefyd.
We have important business with Mr. Madovsky.
And who the hell might you be?
Who are you, darling?
Nico Kalar, and this is my colleague.
Sling your hook, you. Sling your
Well,
hook.
isn't that cozy?
That's Cozy Wozy.
Darling.
Yes, of course.
Well then, one, I don't know you or laughing boy here from Adam.
Yes.
Two, you ain't got no business round here. And three, I don't like French birds.
Whoa.
Comprenez?
Comprenez?
Hi, guess who?
What do you want?
I don't suppose you know Mr. Madovsky's driver, do you?
Maybe you didn't hear me the first time.
Sling your hook. Sling your hook. Sling your hook. Yeah.
Hi, guess who?
What do you want?
What do you want?
Do you work for Mr. Madovsky?
No, I'm standing here pruning his edges for a laugh. Course I blooming work for you.
Yes, look at boy, man.
Look, will you stop asking all these blooming questions? Can't you see I'm busy?
What a killer.
Hey, George.
What's up?
Seriously, how are we going to do this? According to Ronnie, Medovsky is the real deal.
Coming from Ronnie, that's quite a compliment.
If Medovsky's the killer,
We need to be careful, which suggests...
I use my Gallic charm?
Exactly.
What?
Hi, guess who?
What do you want?
We really need to see Mr. Medovsky.
Oh, why are you still here?
Ah,
It was topiary in progress.
okay. Simpel restje, nee.
The bush was perfectly shaped. It was a bush, but was it art?
Ja. Wat daar het leuk komen? Nou, het is. Nee, hoe uit, hoe nou?
Hi, guess who?
Guess who? What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want? Ooh, bush.
Nice bush.
Yay.
Bush? This is so much more than just a bush.
Oh, I am sorry.
It's art, love. Or to be precise, topiary.
Topiary.
As everybody knows.
Topiary is a transition form.
That's right. A statement of man's dominance over
Man's
nature.
dominance over nature.
Metaphor for the human condition.
Net dwi'n neud bod dwi'n power washer er
It's not
cefn fi.
enough, is it?
Not for the big questions.
Life, death.
Right and wrong.
Tell me about it.
You struggle, monsieur?
Day and night.
That is the human condition.
Can we ever escape it?
Be fucked the conversation yma.
Possible through meditation, contemplation.
Contemplation.
I see.
It is our only salvation.
Well, you've given me food for thought, you have.
Anytime.
Much appreciated. At a difficult time.
You are welcome, monsieur.
So, anyway, this is my latest piece. What do you think?
Good.
It's very nice. Eagle? A two-headed eagle.
Result. Get in there, my son.
Yes.
It's a Russian Imperial Eagle for the boss. You spotted it straight off.
Yes.
I owe you one, lady. You have got that rare quality. Real.
Yes.
No, please. You have a rare talent.
Ja.
Anything else you can tell us about Mr. Medovsky's driver?
Not really, miss.
Oh.
We have important business with Mr. Medovsky.
I need a good reason to bother the boss with this. He's a busy man.
I understand, but I think he'll want to speak with us.
What makes what you have to say so important?
La malédiction.
Maledictio, a painting that belongs to him, has been stolen. If he wants his insurance claim processed quickly, then he'll want to speak with us. I think he might be annoyed if he finds out you never even told him we came around, right?
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Hang on, I'll phone him now.
Hey, Putin, come here, mate.
Yeah, Mr. Medovsky?
Insurance.
Yeah. Yes, boss. Right, I will do. You've piqued the boss's interest. That isn't always a good thing. The gate should be open. I'll take you inside. Follow me, please.
To your death. Gaddafi. just see the Putin of Gaddafi, do it.
Medovsky will be right with you, madame.
The fucking Gaddafi. What
Well,
the hell?
we're in. Now what?
We'll make him think we're all set to pay out on the policy. See if we can get him to talk.
Oh my god.
Welcome, welcome.
Good day, monsieur. My name is Nico Collard, and this is my assistant, Georges Tabar.
You are here to discuss La Maledictio.
Pob, dit de kijk naar gang. De wahanol.
My agreement with the gallery specified that my ownership should be kept in the strictest confidence. It would appear that agreement has been broken.
A man has been killed, monsieur.
An agreement is an agreement.
Ooh.
My apologies for disturbing you, monsieur, but I'm afraid we must ask you some questions.
So be it. The loss of a painting is nothing compared to the loss of a life. Ask away.
How did you come into possession of La Maledictio?
I purchased it at auction.
Okay, fair enough.
We have reason to believe that the theft was an inside job.
Oh, that is terrible. The staff at the gallery were so pleasant to deal with, but such is human nature. I trust this won't delay the insurance claim.
I'm sure matters will be sorted out soon. Did you know Henri, the gallery owner?
Oh, purely on a professional basis. My restorer recommended his gallery to me.
Did you ever meet him personally?
No.
No, only via email. I rarely fly. I'm carbon neutral, you know.
What?
Very conscientious, monsieur.
Well, the planet won't save itself.
Okay.
You have receipts for the painting?
Of course. I have already sent them to your office.
These things take time to process.
What is there to process? I own the painting, someone stole it, and your company provided me with it.
Ooh.
I am the victim here.
A state you share with the deceased, monsieur. What connection do you have to Vera Security?
I've never heard of it.
Ooh.
There is strong evidence that ties you to Vera Security.
Oh, you are beginning to sound like a policeman, madame.
We are merely doing our jobs, monsieur. We must leave no stone unturned.
I would leave this particular stone unturned if I were...
Ooh, threats.
I'd rattled him, but I didn't want to push too hard. Of course. We will check our information again.
I would do that.
Your restorer, how does he fit into all this?
Hobbs. He did a little cleaning work on La Maledictio, that's all. I think that's enough for now. When do you expect the claim to be paid out?
It will not be long, monsieur.
When exactly? Surely you can give me a date.
Monsieur Medovsky, I'm sure you...
Please excuse the interruption, sir.
What is it, Shears?
Hobbs is here.
Ooh, pretty Hobbs.
Tell him I'm busy.
He mentioned the portfolio, sir.
For pity's sake, can he not just follow simple instructions? Please excuse me for a moment.
Hobbs.
The gardener's called Shears?
Yeah, probably not what his mother christened him.
What a creep.
Very clever creep at that. We got nothing on him, and he knows it.
He just brushed off the Vera connection.
Fan med det.
We need something else to get under his skin. I could use
Fabergé
some
egg.
leverage.
Yeah, it's just one man's word against another.
So what else can we do?
Let's take a look around. Maybe there's something here we can use against him.
Be mae daith thing obvious mas sefyll allan yma.
You search, I'll keep watch at the window.
Medovsky. Shears.
Medovsky had left the cabinet open. On the shelf inside was a business card and a scribbled note.
You know, this was for your book. This was additional recognition for your help towards a cause.
Wilfred Hobbs,
Best
Final
wishes.
Restoration. I made a note of the address. Then I put the card back where I'd found it. No point arousing Medovsky's suspicions. It was Hobbs's business card. I'd already taken it. The note read, L. Serp drawings for you to check. W.H.
Now we're cooking with gas.
I wondered if the painting could be in the portfolio that Medovsky had taken.
Ah.
It was a thank you note from a British politician. Huh. Medovsky certainly had some dubious friends.
Ha 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 ha.
Everything was in Cyrillic, except for a number.
Cyrillic?
1869.
Dat is een alfabet.
Everything was in Cyrillic, except for a number. 1869. I suspected the medals weren't from the Moscow Debating Society. The Moscow Debating Society. See a penny, pick it up, then all day you'll have good luck.
Het is niet door een prijs.
A Russian imperial egg. It looked rather plain. That was almost a great idea. Almost. It seems our Medovsky has friends in low places.
It's like my boss said. The guy wants to be a player.
Medovsky in Libya. Happy days. What kind of guy hangs a picture of himself and Colonel Gaddafi on the wall?
Yeah.
The kind who will commit murder in order to steal their own painting.
It was a Russian privatization voucher. I wondered why Medovsky displayed it so proudly.
FU bot. Het is cael. De gewoon vastspot op de spammer in de chat. Ooh.
It was a beautifully inlaid cigarette box. The catch had snapped.
Come on.
The paperclip just flexed and slipped off the catch. Sadly, the catch would have been too thick to cut with nail clippers. The wood would have been too...
Trevor. Oh, coin.
By extraordinary good fortune, the coin I'd picked up was the perfect shape to flip open the broken catch. Fancy that.
Ooh.
Keys are always useful.
A hwnna di agoriad I lle Henri. Ia, dwi'n meddwl.
Romanovs. The same brand of cigarettes that were in the ashtray in Vera's security.
Ooh.
Can you hear what they're saying?
Cau y box.
You should not have turned up here, Mr. Hobbs. I made it clear I would deliver the package later today.
I wanted to make sure it got to me all right. I've got a lot of work to do on it.
This
Oh my
is
gosh,
not
verkarne.
convenient.
Medovsky's arguing with his visitor, Ops, about the portfolio.
That portfolio is important, I'm sure of it.
Cau o. Dwi'n cau hwn.
Romanovs.
Iawn, so agoriad yna. Eisiau cofio agor. Wedyn.
Medovsky had an extensive collection of management books. The 7 Secrets of Leadership, 2009. The Business Bonaparte, 1983. Office Eagle or Management Mouse, 1998.
Yeah.
I should have guessed. Keyboard was Cyrillic. I didn't know the symbols. If I'd been able to remember the layout of a US keyboard, I might have been able to figure it out. ASD... I tried to remember... I didn't know... If I'd been able to remember, I figured that had to be the ZX. I needed a keyboard for reference. I didn't know. If I'd been able to remember the layout of the US keyboard, I might have been able to figure it out. I didn't know the if I'd been able.
Weet je wat nee, doe maar. Oké.
Leather-bound classics, bought by the yard, no doubt. Medovsky had left the cabinet open. On the shelf, everything was in Cyrillic, except for a number. 1869. Everything was in Cyrillic.
Wacht, we horen dat, maar ik weet wat we niet.
1869. The note read, it was locked. Leather-bound classics. Russian novels. I should have guessed. Keyboard was Cyrillic. I tried to ASD. I didn't know the symbol. If I'd been able to remember the layout of a US keyboard, I might have been able to figure it out.
Weet je wat niet?
I tried to I didn't know the symbols. If I'd been able to remember the layout of a US keyboard, I might have been able to figure it out.
Ik speel. هنا هنا.
The study door's open now.
Oh.
Hear anything else interesting?
Hang on.
Listen, Hobbs, just take the portfolio and do your work. You are nervous, and I don't like that.
Understood. I have got a few questions, though.
I do not like questions either. Hurry up.
I noticed a couple of people arriving. Who were they? They look like coppers.
They were from the insurance company.
Has the...
Hobbs is going to head off with the portfolio. Whatever's in there is important. We need to stay with it.
I got Hobbs' address from his card. When we're done here, we should check it out.
Okay, Josh, but hurry.
I'm gonna check out the study.
Okay.
Wow, there must be millions of dollars worth of art on these walls. The painting reminded me of my Aunt Maud. I'd never liked her. The drawer was open. My heart skipped a beat. But inside, I saw only... The desk was magnificent. Those two little holes were just waiting for me to put my fingers in them. I resisted the urge. The chair was fancy and probably more expensive than it looked. A secret drawer popped up.
Yay! 1869. Než je 100% s tím cheater.
I was going to discover Medovsky's secrets. It certainly wasn't Medovsky's sock drawer. Hey, Nico, come see this. I think we've struck gold.
Hang on, I'm coming.
Look, a letter from a guy called Gainan. His company Wolfram want to purchase La Maledizio. They're offering way over the asking price.
Anything connecting Medovsky to Vera?
Well, let's see. Here we go. A lease for Vera's security.
Aha! Then we have the proof we need.
Hang on, what's this? Expenses for a Mr. Shears. Waterloo Motors, one. These are from Paris. Madame La Trex. Hotel Britannique. Pizza. Nico. Pizza. I think your friend Shears might just be on...
What?
George, what have we got ourselves into? I just heard the front door close. Medovsky's coming. Put everything back in order, quick!
Right.
Moments later.
He'll never suspect we just ransacked his house for evidence.
George, the coin!
Damn, no time.
Oh.
I'll handle this.
It's still your coin.
I apologize for the lengthy wait. As you can imagine, my time is at a premium.
That's fine, Mr. Medovsky. I think we're almost finished anyway.
And payment?
Very soon, monsieur. Very soon.
Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Gaddafi.
Is that a picture of you with Colonel Gaddafi?
A deeply wonderful man. He was a great fan of the Impressionists.
Well, he certainly...
Ti'n allan am Gaddafi yn tosbot fyny Switzerland?
Is that a first edition of War and Peace?
Of course. Printed in 1869. A great year for my country's literature. And Tolstoy is the master.
Oh, sorry.
Nice collection of medals you have there, Mr. Medovsky.
I earned them serving my country.
Anywhere interesting?
Chechnya. Ever been there?
No, can't say I've had the pleasure. So, what brought you into the art business, Mr. Medovsky?
Oh, an eye for great artists, an appreciation of fine culture, and a love of what you Americans call the greenback.
You must be upset at the theft of La Maledizio.
Yes, and disappointed that someone would kill for such a minor piece.
So this Hobbs guy, good friend of yours, is he?
Hobbs.
No, we simply have a business arrangement. We've been through this already. Now please, if you're quite finished, I
Busy man.
Thank you for your time, Monsieur Medovsky. We'll be in touch soon.
Well, no prizes for guessing where we go now.
What a fake.
Hobbs is
Fake.
Got it in one. Medovsky's pretty shady, don't you think?
He bought our act, though. You make a pretty good insurance man, George.
Aha, good one.
Who'd have thought it?
By the time he realizes we're not assessing his claim, we'll have cracked the case and be toasting our success.
Here's hoping. Looks like rain.
Come on, let's get that cab. Taxi?
Let's go taxi in Llundain.
I think we just stepped off the London tourist trail.
That's the sea, don't you?
Doesn't like visitors.
Iawn. Fama, dwi'n mynd i orffan i am heno.
Expect to find a restorer of old masters.
Unless you didn't want to attract attention.
He's attracted
Mae
us.
yn
Let's see what
25
Mr.
to
Hobbs
12.
knows about La Maledicció.
And let's try and get a look inside that portfolio.
Diolch yn fawr Morgan, diolch am catcho'r stream. Dwi'n, ti'n gwybod fi, pwy dwi'n hooked ar gêm, dwi'n licio just streamio fo, tan dwi'n gorffan. So... A ti'n gwybod faint dwi'n licio Broken Sword? So, yeah. That's about it. Lle ma hwnna? Be 'di hwnna? O, nath bigo fyny. Ie. Ie. Dim cweit cystal ar 1 or 2 de. Mae'n rhywbeth amdan 1 and 2 sy'n... Is it all i fi? Hwnna. Hwn di Tower of Power fi. O, be? I'r dde. Hwn. Hwnna ydi Hitbox arcade stick fi. Hwn sydd wedi cymryd lle yr arcade stick. Hwn dwi'n iwsio i chwarae games cwffio i gyd. So. Left. Left, down, right, up. That's yma. O, just stuff i ddal stuff i o'n. A wedyn gynna fi... Bad boy yma. Hwn yw'r tewn i music stream. Right. What speaker? Yeah. So, sneak peek i'r can newydd. Ie, sy'n mi yma. Gynna fi official. Mae hwn yn official branded GameCube controller. Ond ddim yn ysbryd USB. Yndi. Gath hwn specifically wneud ar gyfer Super Smash Bros Ultimate i'r Switch 1. Lle nath Nintendo ail wneud y controllers ma. Cos apparently, os ti'n chwarae Smash, ti'n chwarae nhw ar hein. Mae gweithio hefyd ar Switch 2 a gweithio ar y PC. So bod dwi yn emulatio GameCube games. A gynna fi y bad boy yma. Gynna fi hwn. I gyfer finger workout. So shit di bys bach fi. Hwn yn dda ar gyfer piano a gitar. A wedyn, hwn wedyn ar gyfer... Hwn wedi wneud. O, mae gynnu fi gola. Mae gynnu fi LED strips ar gyfer yr cabinet llyfrau fan'na. Y cabinet llyfrau fan'na, mae gynnu fi mood lighting fan'na. Beth ydw, mae gola yna off fan. Yr unig gola sy'n bwnsio na fi wan ydy'r dau LED. LED fama. A mae gen i fi LED fan'na, dwi'n gwybod lle mae switch hwnna. Deadstone Pirates. Na i sticio efo'r llyfr bach yma. So lwc beth o fama ddo. Beth sy'n crap ydi, yn fan'na, mae gen i fi Coffin Williams. Literally, dechrau yn fan'na. Mae gen i fi print really drud di fframio Coffin Williams. Dwi'n sucker am Coffin Williams. Very good artist. Ti'n gwerthu Deadstone Pirates chdi? Dwi dweud hyn yn y ffordd neisia. Pwy uffar sy'n di brynu hwnna ffordd chdi? Ti'n gwerthu fo iawn? Be sy'n dweud chdi werthu fo? Pam ti'n gwerthu Deadstone Pirates thing chdi? Nes i'n gwario lot o'r goliadau. Dwi'n mynd i stryglo werthu hwnna sdi. Dwi wedi togi stwff i fi. Un hein, ti angen gwerthu Deadstone Pirates chdi, de? Hwna. Hwn ti isio. O, dwi'n ti angen. Ie, dwi'n cael clear out hefyd. Dwi'n prynu pool table. Okay. Pool table. No. So fe gyda chdi'n lle i soffa chdi wedyn? Ti'n cael gwrdd o soffa chdi wedyn? Lle i hongen y Deadstone Pirates, dwi'n gwybod sut ti'n cael gwrdd o hwnna, ie. Gwerthu fi Owain pan mae yn symud i'r tŷ newydd. Dwi'n cael gwared o'r bookshelf cyfan. Be'r un tu ôl chdi'n eich streams? In the shelves... What? What the hell? Whoa. Ei soffa na. Oh. Okay. Lle ti'n reid... Lle mae... No, okay. Ie, mae gwych Deadstone Pirates cyfa, honest. Iawn, oce. Fair enough. Dwi'n gwybod bain i chdi. Iawn ta, dwi'n di adael i fyna. Dwi'n ddechrau ymlaen i weld the new man cave, o chdi orffen efo fo. Llai cluttered. Dwi'n mynd i werthu stwff efo mam yn car bwtsel dy syl, actually. Mae mam eisiau gwared o crap. Llai cecs, mwy sex. Nice. Motto Morgan yn 2026. Llai cecs, mwy sex yn y man cave. Clip that. Iawn, dwi'n mynd go iawn am. Cor am stick around a na i weld chi mwy o thebyg nos fori, ella. Nes i 5k run hi, so dwi'n gwybod sut stad fydd yn fi fori. Fel arfer, dwi'n wedi stryglo. So, we'll see that. Iawn ta, hwyl pob arall. Tara.